Morning students. Today's topic is quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides. So this is a figure. It is a four-sided polygon which is called as quadrilateral. It has four sides, four angles, four vertices and two diagonals. Now we can see in this figure the sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. Now let's talk about angles. There are four angles here: angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now coming to vertices. There are four vertices: A, B, C and D. Last one we are talking about diagonals. Now what is a diagonal? A line segment which is formed by joining opposite vertices. So there are two diagonals in a quadrilateral, AC and DB. So in all, in a quadrilateral there are 10 elements in which four sides, four angles and two diagonals are included. So this is about a quadrilateral. Now let's talk something more about it. Number one, let's talk about its adjacent sides. Now two sides of a quadrilateral which have a common vertex are called its adjacent sides. So here we can see that from one vertex we can see that two sides are there from a common vertex. So these are called as adjacent sides. There are in all four pairs of adjacent sides. So let's begin from vertex A, AB and AD. This is the first pair. Second one, let's begin from B, BA, BC. This is the second pair. Now let's begin from C, CB, CD. This is the third pair. And now let's begin with D, DA and DC. So these are called as adjacent sides and there are four pairs of adjacent sides. Now coming to opposite sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral which do not have any common vertex. They are called its opposite sides. In this figure, as we can see, sides which are just opposite to each other, they are called as opposite sides. Now the first pair of opposite sides, it is AB, DC. They are opposite to each other. And the second pair is AD and BC. So when we are talking about opposite sides, there are two pairs of opposite sides. Now the third one, it is adjacent angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral which have a common arm, they are called its adjacent angles. There are four pairs of adjacent angles. So two angles which have a common arm. For example, this AB, it is the common arm of angle A and angle B. So these two are adjacent angles. Similarly, BC is the common arm of angle B and angle C. So here there are four pairs of adjacent angles. First one, angle A, angle B, common arm is AB. Second, angle B, angle C, common arm is BC. Third, angle C, angle D, common arm is DC. And last, angle D, angle A, common arm is DA. So there are four pairs of adjacent angles. Now coming to opposite angles. Now two angles of a quadrilateral with no common arm, they are called its opposite angles. There are two pairs of opposite angles. And as we know here that diagonal is also formed by joining opposite angles. So there are two pairs of opposite angles. Number one, angle A, angle C. Here it is. And number two, angle D, angle B. So when we are talking about opposite, there are two pairs. When we talk about adjacent, there are four pairs, whether it is sides, whether it is angles. So that's all about quadrilaterals.